Hello, good morning everyone. Today is the first day of the Bangkok property tour. So, okay, this video is not about the tour because we are only meeting in about 1.5 hours time. I just crossed over from my hotel. I wanted to show you about this coffee place that is very popular. At least it is very popular on the Chinese social media, Xiaohongshu. I think Uber is already there, so literally they open at 8 and before that there's already a queue of quite a few number of people waiting to go in. But the rating on Google is also quite high. I think it's about 4.5 or so. So let's go and see how good it is actually. Yeah, so this is just right next to the train station. Then that's the place. You can see that it's actually very crowded. Quite full house. Lucky Wilbur woke up early to go and get a seat. Let's go. Oh, there's a Let's Relax just next to it. I think I made a booking for it tonight. Factory 825. Sorry. Hey. Oh, thank you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
What are you ordering?
I think white citrus.
Huh?
White
White citrus.
I think it's also another popular one.
Which one?
I saw review lah. This one.
Oh, but 这个 PSA double layer 嘞 Mrs. Sorry. Okay lor, I think I go for this one. Either this one or this one. Red drop was espresso. Okay, steady. Oh, look at the awards. Can't really see anyway. Alright, so what did we order? Charcoal Thai tea croissant, this one, which is the best seller. Moscow, that's mine, which is milk with espresso, essentially lah. And yours is what? Quite citrus. Quite citrus. But mine, if you see, then there's like a skull below. Quite cute. Okay, so what? Try the coffee first.
Okay, the coffee is strong. Then there's a sort of citrus accent inside. So I think the first time I try something like this, usually it's Americano plus orange juice, but this is in a milky format. So yeah, this is actually a good combination as well. This is the signature Thai tea croissant. From the color, you can tell that it's charcoal version. Do you see any Thai tea?
Inside.
Ah, yeah. Wow. Nice. Okay, let me try some more. Come. Video. Nice. The milk tea is very sweet. I think overly sweet for me. But no, when the croissant is fresh, it makes a difference. Yeah, this is like crispy and light with Thai milk tea sauce. Good.
So however, is this place worth the hype?
Okay, if there's no queue, just come. But if it's long queue, I don't think it's like worth the.
Yeah lah, same lah. I mean, I wouldn't want to wait more than 15 minutes for a table.
Yeah, in fact, I think when it just opened, when I arrived, I think by the time we order, it's about 10 to 15 minutes already. Yeah, so I mean, if you see a long queue, then do expect a longer waiting time.
I think the trick is to just make this the first stop of your trip lor. And anyway, they open 8 a.m. A lot of places are not open yet.
Yeah.
Just come early lah.
Yeah.
Just come early. I think everybody who queued got a seat the moment they ordered something. Yeah. But is it one of the better coffee in Bangkok you have tried? Innovative,
I'll probably give it to them. In terms of flavor, I think a lot of good cafes around in Bangkok. Yeah, so I mean, if you are in Phayathai, you just arrived from Suvarnabhumi, just come down, have a drink.
Good recommendation. Okay. See ya.